everybody, welcome to Miss Jennifer's Kitchen. This is my stove. We're going to make a BLT. We have our cookie sheet. We're going to get our aluminum foil. And we're going to roll up a big piece and put it on top of the cookie sheet. And then we're going to put our bacon on top of the aluminum foil. Then we pop it in the oven, bake it, and it won't make the house all smoky and smelly. There's the aluminum foil on our cookie sheet. Now the bacon won't stick. Thanks, aluminum foil. Speaking of the star of the show, bacon. B-A-C-O-N. The secret ingredient to everything. Now we have our bacon all lined up nice and neat on our pan. How many strips of bacon? 1. What comes after 1? 2. What comes after 2? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Those last 3 pieces are a little different. 9 pieces of bacon. B for bacon. L is for lettuce. Look at this lovely bag of lettuce. And T is for tomato. Bacon, lettuce, tomato. BLT. Now everybody knows you can't have a BLT without French fries. So we're going to take a couple of potatoes out of the bag, put some oil in the pan and let it start getting hot. Then we're going to slice those potatoes. But first we have to peel the potatoes. Ta-da! Now we cut them up, put them in the pan. Time to prep the tomatoes. First you peel them, then you slice them. Hey, look how pretty they are. Perfect tomatoes. Next we wash the lettuce and put it in a bowl. And here's the star of the show, our beautiful bacon. Hey, we're about ready to put our sandwiches together. The French fries are almost done. Behold, bacon, lettuce, and tomatoes. But we also need mayonnaise and bread. We're going to toast the bread in the toaster oven. 1 piece, 2 piece, 3 piece. Are they all going to fit? Oops. 4 piece and 5 piece. Grammy will just get half a sandwich because she doesn't eat much. Now toast it up, Mr. Toaster Oven. Thank you. Time to take the Frenchy fries out. We gotta put them on some paper towels so the grease will go away. Et voilà, un BLT avec French fries. Bon appétit. In other words, BLT with fries. Enjoy.